Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So it seems that Google is working on a new feature that will simplify tab grouping and how you manage your saved tab groups in Chrome for desktop. And this feature is currently being tested in Chrome Canary 125, which is the latest preview version, which could introduce an option to enable saved tab group pinning, which is not available currently in the stable version. Now, just a quick recap. Currently, if you want to save a tab group, you right-click on the relevant tab, add tab to new group. Let's just give that a random name, and let's just give that a color, and you save group. And then that saves that tab group to and in your bookmarks bar where it's pinned currently in Google Chrome. But it seems that with this new feature, you will have an unpinning option, which will obviously simplify removing tab groups from the bookmarks bar amongst some other options. Now here we can see the new everything button, as Google is calling it, or the new UR for tab groups, save tab groups. And this is what the new feature is all about. So if I click on that, I can create a new group directly from this fly out menu. Here I've got all my groups listed. So as an example, if I right click on tab group 4, I can unpin group from bookmarks bar. So this is nice for decluttering your bookmarks bar. So the tab group isn't deleted. It just removes the actual shortcut for that saved tab group from my bookmarks bar. So if you are dealing with a lot of saved groups, you can just keep the most relevant on your bookmarks bar and then hide or unpin the ones that you don't use on a regular basis because they are still listed in the new user interface. And if you want to pin that again, you just pin group to bookmarks bar, and there we go. And that is synced across your different devices, as many of you will know. So if we look at those options, you can move group to a new window. You can pin group from bookmarks bar. You can delete it directly from the, you can actually delete the whole group, and you can open up a new tab. So it's just bringing a bit of a shortcut button for pinning, unpinning, and managing your tabs. And something else it also does is if you right click on your bookmarks bar, you can actually hard show tab groups, which further simplifies if the process of having a lot of saved tab groups. And if you want to pop that back, you can just click on show tab groups, and there we go, everything's back to normal. So I think this is a nice handy option. I just hope in the future maybe Google gives us an option to turn this everything button, as they call it, or the new user interface, on and off. And as mentioned, not available as yet in the stable version. And to enable the feature, we need to head over to our experimental flags page by entering chrome://flags, as you may well know, into the Omnibox. And you just enter tab group, and in Chrome Canary, that will bring up the relevant flag called tab groups save UR update. And the description reads as enables saved tab group pinning, everything menu, and bookmarks bar change. So those are the three main kind of categories it's broken up into, as I mentioned: pinning, unpinning, the everything menu, and you can obviously remove that and enable and disable that from the bookmarks bar. You change that from default to enabled, you relaunch your browser, and as mentioned, brings the everything menu, pinning, unpinning, and the option to show tab groups on your bookmarks bar. And I actually think this is a nice move in the right direction, especially if you are dealing with a lot of saved groups. But as mentioned, not available as yet in stable. And if I get any more info, obviously I'll keep you guys posted. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.